Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. I have Mark with me today.
Hello.
And we just got back from the Trendsetters Bazaar held at the World Trade Center, and we wanted to do a haul video kasi shopping lang namin doon. Bumili si Mark ng...
Boxer shorts.
Pakita mo buo. How much yan, B?
100 each.
100 pesos each,
Yeah,
and
nagustuhan
dalawang
ko.
color siya.
Polka dots.
Bongga!
T-shirt. 250.
Maganda
Polka
to
dots.
actually. 250. Maganda. Ang ganda ng material.
Ngayon lang ako nagkaroon ng polka dots eh.
Maganda bagay sa'yo, B. And then I got myself something from the brand Trendfile. Ano sila? Korean material. Ang bongga! Mga sweater and mga cardigan nila. And yung una kong binila sa bazaar is this cardigan. Ang ganda ng... Tignan mo! Ang ganda ng material niya! Okay, itaas mo. Huwag may lapit kasi hindi siya mag-focus. Ayan! There's this place over there na they sell overruns ba, from different brands. American brands or Chuvanes. Banana Republic. I got a dress from Banana Republic. Actually, sinukat ko to and I love it. Grabe, guys. Pati si Mark na pa, wow, kaya pitas mo. Ang ganda! Look at that! Dress siya na long sleeve and the pattern is really beautiful.
Pattern is banana. De, joke lang.
700 pesos. Banana Republic, 700 pesos. Bongga, di ba?
Bongaloo.
Super. We met a celebrity from GMA ba siya? Her name is
Yasmin
Yasmin
Curdy.
Curdy. Siya daw gumawa ng mga scents na to. In fairness to her, super bango.
Clinic Happy. Yan. Kaamoy ng
Bango
Clinic
siya.
Happy.
So, ibig sabihin replica or...
Version niya ng Clinic Happy. Tapos eto, version niya ng Lacoste.
Ah, bango.
Bango.
And one
Super.
bottle costs how much?
250.
250.
Kanina pa to eh.
Ang lakas huminga. Parang aso. Pero ang bango, in fairness.
Bango.
Next up, this is something for Mark's mom. Pakita mo na lang.
Pabili si mama kasi sa akin.
Ang daming mga sira-sirang pantalon doon, guys.
Bibili ka ng bago pero sira.
Oh, huwag mo ilapit ha, hindi siya mag-focus.
Ito.
It's super cute.
Brand new to, pero sira.
How much?
450.
Tapos ano siya, drawstring type. We have something from the brand Wonder Tree. Actually, hinabol nila kami ni Mark. And they wanted to give me a gift. Thank you so much, Wonder Tree. So, let's just show them kung ano yung binigay nila. Really fun kasi parang lahat ng products nila are virgin coconut oil based. Tama ba? Virgin coconut oil. And this is ito, super exciting to. Virgin coconut oil makeup remover. Guys, makeup remover. Virgin coconut oil pa, diba? So, bunga-bunga.
Bunga.
This one is the Mono Lauren Skin Cream. And I've heard of Mono Lauren sa toner na ginagamit ko from VMV. Bongga, diba? Mono Lauren Chuvanes. Ito daw kahit sa mga skin asthma, mga kati-kati, and all. And then, meron tayong Intimate Wash. Wonder Bar Facial Soap. And then, ito yung Oats and Milk Scrub Bars. Ito yung bag niya. Ang cute. So, they sell it by set. So, itong isang ganito, 976 ba yan, B? Naalala mo ba?
Body sa coconut oil to.
Oh?
Bag.
Hindi ah!
Niwala!
So, that is it for our Trendsetter haul for today. If you wanna drop by World Trade Center pa lang sila, diba? Until Sunday. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.